Welcome to the Runway 1.4 release. In this update, we're excited to introduce Project Backup and Restore capabilities, along with a real-time notification system designed to create a safer and more efficient workspace. Now you can securely back up your critical project data, monitor progress in real time, and resolve issues faster than ever before. With the Backup and Restore feature, securing your project data is simple and reliable. Just enter the storage paths and container registry details, and backups are effortless. When needed, restoring your project is just a few clicks away, quickly bringing it back to its previous state. This means you can manage your projects confidently without the worry of losing important data. Our new real-time notification system keeps you informed at every stage. Get immediate updates when tasks are completed or if issues arise during deployments or scheduled tasks, so you can respond quickly and ensure smooth operations. Take full advantage of these new features and enjoy a more seamless, productive workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let your AI run with your enterprise AI platform, Runway.